Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. And since this is my first video of the year, Happy New Year. Today we celebrate love, self-love, and love for others. But first, it's time to get ready. So let's get started. I'm starting off with my Rose Milk Facial Serum, very hydrating, especially for winter. Next is my Pond's Moisturizer. My favorite moisturizer, especially after I wash my face. I'm going to use NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh. Start off with my foundation. Next up, I'm going to use this Revlon Colorstay eyebrow pencil. I don't know if you can see it. Well, it's a pencil. I haven't done my makeup in so long. I'm just like, you know how it is. At least I have this monitor to help me see a little bit. Valentines quarantine type vibes. Brows are kind of hard for me. I honestly cannot do my brows unless I have a mirror. Okay. Y'all, I don't know how this brow came out because this one's kind of really thick. With brows, you can always like subtract or add if you want, but usually I'm the one having to subtract. Okay, there's some brows for you. When I put my concealer on, it's all gonna get cleaned up, so I'm not gonna stress. I forgot what I was doing. I'm like staring at my brushes and I put all my stuff in a little box. It's literally like the best thing ever. My Fawn LA Girl concealer. Y'all know how much I love LA Girl concealer. I forgot if I usually do under my eyes. Yes, I actually do. Yeah, because people have different techniques. Okay, I definitely put too much concealer on. Probably didn't need all of this, but there it is. Oh yeah, I know I didn't need all this concealer. I went a little overboard with the concealer, but it's gonna all make sense. It's literally all about the blend. I'm gonna wet the brush a little bit more. I usually just bake a little before, and I'm just gonna bake under the eye. Try to get enough that I can kind of make a line. I'm just gonna try to make it real quick because y'all, well, it is 1 in the morning, but not only that, this is just a simple look. Even though it is Valentine's Day and I want to make it really red and really cute, I just want to make it me. And I feel like, especially in the past year with the whole pandemic, learned to kind of be more minimal with certain things, especially with my makeup. I feel like all of us being at home, we haven't not even been like, you know, getting ready as much. But when we do, well, when I do at least now, I kind of know that I don't have to really go all out. Sometimes I will, but I'm learning to love like neutral tone stuff. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna actually dip it in like something that's more white. I'm gonna get my Morphe palette. It is busted it's the same one from the last video, so I'm not even gonna put it in the screen because it is still busted. Nothing has changed from the last time you saw this palette. You could tell I use this palette a lot, y'all, because I love it. And I'm just like, until it's gone, why toss it, okay? Don't know where that accent came out, but I'm gonna take this color. It's like the closest color to white I have. And we're gonna just like brush it. And then I'm gonna grab this e.l.f. blending eye brush. Take my NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. Grab the red, because I want to do a look that's like really, really pretty in red, but I don't want to do a red lip. I think I'm gonna use this pink in the kind of crease, and then I'm gonna smoke it out with red. So here we go. I want it to look like a red smoky eye. Real red smoky eye, and just smoke it all out. This is still the pink because it's all about the blending. I'm gonna go back into this red and I'm going to just put it on top of the pink. I'm gonna blend it down so it will be more red. I want it to be dark and deep. Take this white again as like kind of our base, and I'm gonna put it on my lid, but almost like a cut crease, but it's not a cut crease. Like it's gonna be just there giving us the backing that we need. I don't want this to be this yellow or like white, like boom, cut crease, you know. I want it to just be red and you see hints of gold. I'm gonna go in here with this red right here. Smoke out that corner. I guess in a way it's a cut crease, but like an orange cut crease. I really like this. Oh yes. This is what I'm talking about, you guys. What? This is the smoke out I was talking about. This is the smoke out I was talking about. This is it. Yes, exactly what I wanted to do. I'm gonna make it a little darker towards the end, but this was essentially it. I'm gonna go in with this dark, deep type of red right here. And I'm just gonna put that at the corners to try to blend all that together. But I want it to blend into this dark, deep, like red. Smoke out all of this. Now I'm left with trying to figure out what's going under these eyes. I kind of like how this has like a little in here, the same shade that I had on top of this lid, and put it in the middle. This is like the fieriness that I needed, you guys. I'm gonna just take it all the way across. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown, my waterline. I just don't like to line it with the pencil. I like a brush if I can. I tear up quick. Next, I feel like I'm going to go in with a liner because it's about that time. Grab the e.l.f. eyeliner pen. This is one of my favorite eyeliners. My heart just went like so fast because I looked at my monitor and I didn't say recording, but then I looked at my camera and it said recording. I was literally gonna be like, oh, I just did my eyes and nothing, like, I was gonna be like so upset. If what I just did not get captured, I was gonna be so upset. Here we go. I'm gonna do this liner. Y'all, do y'all see this? Just like, you see the difference between this line side and like this not line side? Like, it's just the drama. But this is like what I'm aiming for, you know what I'm saying? And then this is like, it's cute, you know, it's cute. It's like, you're cute, you know? This is like boom, you know? It's like boom, okay? I'm gonna not do too much because I'm gonna let it dry. That just opened up. Do you guys see the difference like between what liner does? Like, it just opens up your eye so much between this and this. Do you see this? The liner is done. Now I'm going to take my black Radiance palette, the True Complexion color palette in dark to deep. I love this palette. I contour with it. It's amazing. I use the highlight. Put that in the corner of my eye. I try to put it at an angle so it goes in like that. If it goes over the eyeliner I just did, I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna put some more of the red up there, just for good measure. Oh wait, y'all, scrumptious. I just noticed that I forgot to put my brow gel on, so I'm gonna put my brow gel on. I kind of like to make it so like you could see a couple hairs uneven, like not so straight, and then it goes into a straight. This look of like it's not perfect. It starts off not so perfect and then it goes into a perfect brow. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Okay. All right, so let's what I'm gonna do next is the fun part, the lashes, and sometimes the tricky part. I'm not gonna lie, the lashes are fun, but sometimes y'all be tricky. I want to say shout out to my family, Bossi Mink's collections. Look at what my cousin did. Look how cute this casing is. I got Honey and Princess. My cousin killed this lash collection. I love it, and these lashes, y'all, are beautiful. When I tell you guys I've worn these ones, Honey, so many times, amazing. Go support my cousin and her beautiful Mink lashes. Okay, so I think I'll be using Honey. I know people usually put lashes on with tweezers. Well, actually, to each their own, but I'm gonna put some hand sanitizer on because I know I've been touching a bunch of stuff and it's still kind of grab my glue. This is the Kiss glue and I just love it so much. Like, this is my favorite glue ever. These are always my go-to lash. You know how you get lashes sometimes and you have to like cut them? I did not have to cut these lashes. They weren't long, especially with like mink lashes. They're always long and you have to cut them. I'll speak for my eye size only. My eyes are kind of small. Sometimes I have to cut the lash and that just takes more time for me to do. But with these, I did not. Major plus. Oh my gosh. Okay, I forgot to put my mascara on. I told you I haven't done my makeup in a while. I'm gonna use L'Oreal Voluptuous Mascara. This is just in the color black. The mascara, I feel like you just put it on to make it blend with the lash. I'm gonna set it on. I like to kind of move it while it dries so then I know that it's going to be lined up. Whew. While that's drying, I'm going to do mascara on my bottom lid. My eyes, I haven't put makeup on in so long, so my eyes are just like, what is this? What are you doing to me? Oh my gosh. Do y'all, what? No! Don't panic. It's good I didn't set my powder yet, because now I can just put some powder over it and it'll be okay. I know you can see the little mark. Let me fix that. That is just not it. I'm just finishing up now, setting powder. I really like to bring out the nose when I'm going for like a, you know, cute little look. I'm gonna go in with the black Radiance again. I'm gonna use the contour, the dark one. And then I'm gonna use this e.l.f. contouring brush. I love this one. I'm using the light one on my nose. Just do the contour like around my forehead. Now I'm gonna blend it out with this contour brush. I'm gonna go with that. Next, I'm gonna do the highlight and the blush. I'm gonna spray it with some more of this Bear With Me NYX Prime Set Refresh and Fixer. Go back into the black Radiance palette and use the highlight. I love this highlight. This is just popping, y'all, popping. It reminds me of like a matte highlight. Ever so lightly, because I want it to be straight. Isn't that so pretty, you guys? That is black Radiance. I'm gonna put a little bit on my lips because I want to make it like a nude kind of lip. So a little glitter is gonna help it big time. Just a little bit right here to just give it an extra shine. I'm going to add blush. I'm going to use this same red that we used on my eyelids. So this one right here. I just use it as a blush sometimes. I love how it has a nice shimmer. Now the final thing we're gonna do is the lips. So I wanted to do a nude. I'm gonna wear this matte lipstick by RK Kiss. They shouted me out in the last look that I did. Shout out to RK by Kiss. I absolutely love this lipstick. Kind of line the lip. And I already have Carmex on my lip. So before you use any matte lipstick, always put some like chapstick or something on because it will dry out your lips. I'm gonna try out this lip lacquer by e.l.f. It is in natural. I feel like it might give us the peachy, fleshy pink that we need for a nude. So let's see. And I'm only putting this on like the pink part of my lip. Oh yes, you guys. This is definitely what we were going for. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this tone. To make my lips even more glossy, I'm going to add this e.l.f. lip lacquer, and it's kind of just like a clear, it just has a bunch of glitter in it, so that's gonna make it like pop even more. This is just gonna have my lips like popping. Not on the whole lip, I'm gonna put it where I put that pink. Okay, you guys, and this is where we're at. Stay tuned because I'm about to get real cute. You know, whole outfit, whole like mini shoot vibe going on. You know, it's Valentine's, so stay tuned. I'm gonna check in with y'all in a minute.
First, we're setting up the backdrop. It's actually a pretty heavy blanket, but I love the pattern, so I wanted to test it out. I added a bunch of clips and taped it to the pole. Used my backpack as a sandbag. I used a panel light and a ring light, both with colored gels. Then I used a reflector right next to me to let the light bounce back. Now that the set's all ready, a few final touches and I'm ready for the shoot. Most of my content are pictures I take of myself. How? The Imaging Edge mobile app, a great tool for Sony users. I love how I can see the picture preview in real time. Let's take a look at the final edits. I'll be posting some more pictures from this super fun shoot on my Instagram page. Be sure to check it out. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I have so much more on the way I can't wait to share. Once again, happy Valentine's Day, loves. See you in the next video.